Hey Glam Fam, let's get ready for church. So if you all have been watching my content, you would know that I've been doing Pinktober. So of course we had to pink it out for church today. So I grabbed this dress that I have available, Confidence Glam Fashion if you're interested. And I grabbed this piece of fabric that I've been rocking for a while. If you all haven't checked out my previous video where I wore this for Mother's Day. And what I did was fold it in half and cut out a little neck hole so I can make a little overlay. You know, I want to give a little something today. So as you all can see, I put it on and then it needed a little shape, so I added a belt, and I want to break up the color some. And y'all know we always have to pause for the cause to make a little room for the mini. So I really wanted to have like an off the shoulder look. So I was trying to adjust the dress under there. Then of course we had to get dressed with confidence, which means adding a little jewelry. So I chose these colorful earrings to keep the glam going. Do y'all think that's a little bit too much? Well, of course I don't. And so now we're all ready. Don't worry about those lips. We'll get those together in the car. And here we go. Now I got the lips. I did a little mixture of a pink and purple. And you see my little glam girl got her little gloss. So let's give her a little minute to shine. And so here we go on the way. We made it to church and this is the after. What do you all think about this look? I absolutely love it. I did not expect it to come out as cute. Thanks for watching.